Hi everyone. Let's start our journey into the GitLab projects from end to end. So in this, the first session is going to be about the brief introduction of how we are going to achieve the things. So then we are going to refresh our memories into the GitLab side. Then we are going to move towards the Docker side, then Git, then Sonar, and finally the Kubernetes for the utilization. So it is going to be entirely a refresher based session so that you have the brief introduction of how the things are working and how we can manage them accordingly. Now we are going to start our project with the Node.js application as we are working into the several kinds of runners being available. So this is going to be a completely shared runner based. So this is the key point out here. So after that, Node.js applications are widely used, so we should understand how the package.json comes into the picture and how it is going to be built. Moreover, we are also going to utilize the Express out here dependency in order to make sure we are deploying the things. So we are going to do each and every perspective of it from starting the process, build stage, testing it locally, and then testing is using the SES-based application and the Sonar key. After that, we are going to finally deploy it into the EKS side. This is going to be the end-to-end working of the Node.js application. Now, into the PHP application, we have another kind of runner being available for the use case, and we are going to make use of the runner, which is going to be your shell-based runner. So shell-based runner is going to be utilized out here. In the shell-based runner, we have covered the utilization from each and every perspective. So shell-based runners are exactly like servers, and when we are working on them, we have a dedicated machine for the utilization. So in this, we are going to make use of the composer, which is going to be your package your applications files on which all the dependencies are available for the utilization. So Composer is going to help us in installing all the dependencies. Then we are going to use the built-in server to deploy the application. So it is going to be utilized to see how the application works for the working. So into the fourth module, which is going to be one of the Python-based module for the working. And as you know, Python is one of the most widely used programming language right now into the working. So it is going to be utilized for the Docker-based executor for the utilization. So everything is going to be completely based on the practical scenarios and different kind of utilization. So the first one was shared runner, second one was shell-based runner, and third is Docker-based executor for the utilizations. So in this, we are going to build the application through the Flask, and we are going to understand the requirement txt file, which is going to be utilized for the downloading or of the dependencies. So every aspects are going to be covered from end to end, and we are going to understand how the application works on the 5004. Now, in order to understand one of the most biggest used language right now, Java, so we are gonna make use of the GitLab tools. So it is gonna be entirely based on the GitLab tools available right now into the market, and we are gonna cover each and every aspects of the GitLab tools out there. So we are gonna build Maven-based project, and it is gonna have form.xml for your utilization. So everything is gonna be covered from the scratch level till the expert level out here. You are going to understand each and every perspective of it and build the application. And the final one is going to be auto DevOps. This is one of the new feature and AI based feature that is being available right now into the option. So it's an alternative of OpenShift. In this, you just have to provide code and it is going to be automatically deployed on your working. So everything is going to be utilized using the Kubernetes agent out here. So this is going to be entirely your 6 projects that you are going to be working upon for the utilization. The first one, the module is going to be introduction based. Second is going to be your Node.js based. Third one is going to be PHP project. Fourth, Python, then fifth, Java based, and sixth is going to be your Auto DevOps project for the utilization. So that's the complete knowledge of SPA based application you are going to cover from end to end for the perspective of jobs. So that's all from this video. Thanks a lot and start our journey into the GitLab.